The mountains look beautiful this morning. It is a very windy day today. I don't know if you can hear the wind howling. It's blasting these fall leaves everywhere. It's actually kind of scary to go outside. I'm scared something like a bucket's gonna blow and hit me in the head. We've got our little heater going. It's nice and cozy in here. Just made myself a cup of coffee. The boys are playing.
Watch, he's gonna go. He's just been jumping on it. He's gonna break that thing.
Whoa!
Olaf's untouchable.
Do it again. He's over it. Forget you, Olaf. You guys, I can't even show you how windy it is right now. I can't even listen to that. It almost blew me over when I walked to Little House. I'm bummed because I really wanted to go cross country skiing today. I had big plans of that, but it is definitely too windy. It is like hurricane force winds out right now. So we have to come up with a new plan. I'm uploading the vlog right now. I just answered all my emails. Oh, I gotta call my mom back. Kevin's feeding the goats. I'm watching from the safety of the Little House. I've already heard a few shingles fly off the roof. The wind has gotten pretty serious, and through the window we just saw that our greenhouse got completely torn down. And right now we were using it to store all the hay for the goats, so we're gonna have to go move the hay quickly before everything just gets destroyed.
This one's going to the top. Storage space.
Look at Kelly! You look like freaking Elf. Like you should be in the movie Elf.
We're all gonna be in them. Dara has it. All three kids have it.
I can't wait to see them.
We're going on the Polar Express in it.
That's so sick.
Looks like these guys are having fun. Posting pictures on Facebook and they're matching onesies.
Do it. I'm filming. Dance.
No, you do it like this. Oh no. No, this way.
You guys, where are we going?
To the North Pole.
The North Pole.
But we were just acting like
The train.
No, we weren't. We were just acting like
Matching jammies. Even us.
making Frankenstein.
Are you guys excited?
Where's Jackson? Everybody, this is Jackson. Say hi, Jackson.
Hi, Jackson.
Jackson gets the first gift of Christmas. Hi.
Thank you, Santa Claus.
You're welcome.
I have to say that I am more than happy with our heater. This is not sponsored. I'm not even gonna tell you where the heater came from, but we are so happy with it. It is so warm in here. It feels great. It's warmer than the big house. Also, I wanted to tell you guys that I've been reading Stephen King's On Writing. I read this a long time ago, but I think I vlogged when we got it at the used bookstore. But it's such a good book. I love Stephen King. And it's really helpful. But the reason I want to tell you guys about it is because in the back he has a list of recommended reading, and he lists a lot of like classic books, like To Kill a Mockingbird, but also on here are 3 of the Harry Potter books by J.K. Rowling. I thought that was really cool that he put that on his recommended reading list.
3?
He recommends Chamber of Secrets, Prisoner of Azkaban, and The Sorcerer's Stone. But who knows, maybe those were the only 3 that came out by the time this book came out.
Could be.
This book's pretty old. I'm not sure from
The first 3,
when.
yeah, that makes sense.
We've got layers on layers of blankets up here, and it is cozy. Okay, hopefully if it's not too windy tomorrow, we can do some cross-country skiing, but it was definitely insane today. Like, I was honestly worried walking outside this thing was going to fly and hit me in the face. So hopefully tomorrow it's a little bit better. Is there any way that we can predict that?
I have no idea.
Is the wind on the Weather Channel? So, I don't know. I'm not sure what we'll do. It'll depend on the weather tomorrow. But for now, we're going to sleep. I hope you guys have an awesome morning, afternoon, night, wherever you are in the whole world. We will see you tomorrow.